Hello guys, here we are with this Hoover Convertible model u4119. This was a thrift shop find about 10 months ago from Deseret Industries in Shoreline. This is it was the same thrift shop I picked up the white 18-inch Hoover Conquest from. I think it was 10, 15 bucks. I'm getting a call. That can wait. 10 or 15 bucks, more or less. Didn't have the proper bag. It had that white bag, if you remember my short of it running. Had my friend Constellation Carl do spot treatment on this one. It came out really good. There's the underside. 4.8 amps Type C model u4119. Hello, Romeo. Mario. Meow. Meow. I haven't done much with vacuums lately, as I got 5.25 hours of overtime this week, and my living room could use a vacuuming. Yeah, there's a little bit of dirt on the carpet. Oh, here we go. Like about this one versus the chrome and red guardsman. Like the chrome and red guardsman, the switch is down here, so if you're standing behind the machine, even if you recline the handle, you gotta go like that and try to hit it and see where I'm wearing tennies. That would be kind of cumbersome. It's a little less awkward if you go like that though. At least Sanitaire, they had the right Eureka, they put the switch right there on the hood, which is makes it a little bit less awkward. And this one has the handle switch, which I prefer over that awkwardly placed foot switch down here. So, that's about what I got for you. Hope you guys enjoyed, and thanks for watching. Bye-bye.